How to save photos in Google Drive in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can save photos in Google Drive in iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, what I recommend you guys do is open up your Google Drive, search for Google Drive and open it up. After you open up your Google Drive, make sure that you create a folder for your photos only, so it's easier to manage. As you can see, I already have a photos folder. You can create a folder by tapping on this plus icon and tapping on create a folder and name it folder. After you've done that, you can then head over to your Photos app. This is one way of doing it. Simply copy the photos that you want to upload. Then tap on the share button on the bottom left. After you do that, here you should find your drive option. Tap on drive. And after you tap on drive, it should start preparing like that. And there you can see the folder where you can add this. So tap on the folder option. Let me show you where the folder option is. It's right here. Tap on folder and select the photos folder. Then you can tap on save here option and the upload should begin by tapping on upload there. And that way you can save your photos in Google Drive. So if you want to do this by going to your drive itself, you can open up your Google Drive first, head over to photos, tap on the plus icon on the bottom right, then tap on upload. After you tap on upload, choose photos and videos. And after you've done that, you can then select the photos that you want to upload and then tap on upload like you did before. And that's how you can save photos in Google Drive in iPhone. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.